Where you going? You're coming to my house, psych. He got a D, so he can't go to my house yet. You gotta get that to a B, man.
At least a B.
Yeah, exactly. How do you get a D? Oh. Yeah?
Hey, what's up? Alright guys, I'm Marcus. Follow me on Instagram at marcus.edwards13. Add me on Snapchat, greatest-ever13. Love ya.
Who do you love the most out of all my subscribers?
What I love?
My fake accounts? I mean, my fans.
Yeah, probably the fans the most.
Nice.
The fake fans, like, they're fake. I don't like all of them.
You don't like any of them?
No, just the real niggas I like.
Yeah.
Dexy the sexy Maxi. Is this a vlog?
Yeah, it is.
What's up?
What's up, man?
What's up, Marcus?
Noah!
I am love that.
Why are you coming over here?
Because
You can't go to my house.
I know.
You gotta get back there.
No, I can
love
walk that way.
to school, just let you guys know.
Alright, man.
I love. Alright, see, that's it.
See you, man. Alright, so what do you want?
So why I have a D? Back to
Oh, back to that story.
Yeah. So I was at a low seat because of
Fucking
one test.
idiot.
I got 7 out of 24 vocab. You
On
know?
a vocab test.
And then after that, let's see, what did I get?
I don't know. You probably got like a 1
Oh
out
yeah,
of 3.
I missed one question. On this one thing because I didn't do it,
What was it?
and I got a 15 out of 25 because of that.
Stupid.
One question.
Oh my god. So now you can't go to my house probably like for like a month.
Probably.
Yeah. Idiot,
My parents
man.
are gonna beat me.
We're gonna try something. Hopefully it doesn't look stupid, but we'll see. It's not funny.
I know it's not funny.
Usually where I'm at, he just stands there. But today is my mom's birthday, so yeah, looking forward to where we go eat because that's where we're gonna go celebrate. Oh my god, Ben, he never wants to come up here. Ben, there we go.
No, el vaso es diferente, mi, esto es de agua. Ay, ya sé todo feo con calcio.
Mamá, feliz cumpleaños.
Espérate, el de mi mami se ve más bonito.
¿Qué?
Not a single kill gift.
De hecho, por eso me pusieron rosa a mí. La
Sad.
serie de... ¿Qué haces tú, dice?
Grabando.
¿Para qué grabas? Me hubiera visto para...
Ay, loco.
Can you start recording?
So hot. That kills. This kills.
I got the green light, mommy, and you know what that means. That we can do anything that you dream. I wanna make you ooh, ah, till you scream, and I practice what I preach, if you know what I mean. I'm a